Now third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on these days? Now, in Srinagar, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degree on Monday. So, what is the Monday's temperature was? Monday, how to write a full sentence? I am writing here short form. Temperature at Srinagar on Monday, almost like minus 5 degree Celsius. Minus 5 degree Celsius. Now, then it dropped by 2 degree Celsius. You know that if any rise means we have to add plus symbol, decrease means minus symbol, above the sea level means plus symbol, below the sea level means minus. Above anything means positive, below means negative. You know, now in this word problem, now then it dropped by minus 2 degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius means that was Tuesdays, no, on Tuesday. So temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday, how much degree? To find the temperature of this particular day, Tuesday, means we have to take the previous day's temperature, means yesterday's temperature was minus 5 degree. With the yesterday's temperature, we have to add or subtract that particular days. So yesterday's temperature was minus 5 degree Celsius. To that, Tuesday it dropped by 2 degree. So drop means minus, negative symbol, 2 degree Celsius. So what is the answer now? Minus 5 minus 2. Same symbol means addition, and symbol is greater number symbols. Greater number is 5, 5 symbol is minus. 5 and 2 means 6, 7. 7 degree Celsius. This is your answer, Tuesday's temperature. Now, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday? Now, Wednesday's temperature, so last day temperature was minus 7 degree. With that minus 7 degree, to find that today's temperature means we have to take the last day's temperature, sorry. So last day's temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius. To that, what is the today's temperature? It rose by 4 degree. Wednesday what happened? The temperature it rose means rise by 4 degree means rise means we have to increase. So plus symbol, plus 4 degree Celsius. So what is the answer? Minus and plus. Different symbol means subtraction of the number. So 7 and 4 subtracting means you get 3 degree Celsius, and greater number is 7. 7 symbol is minus. So answer is 3 degree Celsius. Okay. First try the Monday's temperature. Monday temperature it was given minus 5 degree Celsius. With that, next day Tuesday's temperature it drop means minus with the previous temperature minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then drop means so negative, minus symbol, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Answer is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Then Wednesday's temperature. To find the Wednesday's temperature, what is the previous day's temperature? Minus 7 degrees Celsius. Take that minus 7 degrees Celsius previous days. Then what happened to that day, Wednesday? It rose by 4 degrees. So plus symbol, plus 4 degree Celsius. So answer is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Now fourth question, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So here the picture is given in textbook. So this is a sea and this is submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So 1200 meter below the sea level. Okay, 0 means vertical height means straight line, and vertical distance. A plane is flying at height of 5000 meter. Okay, so plane height a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level at a particular point. Okay, it is exactly above a submarine floating. It exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. Okay, below the sea level. So above means plus symbol, you know that. Below, anything below the sea level means minus symbol. At the same time, some related to a bank problem means deposited amount means it is a plus symbol, positive integers, because deposit means your money is increased. Then withdrawal means you are taking from your balance amount, so it is a decrease of money, so minus symbol. So deposit of money means plus symbol, withdrawal of money means minus symbol. So now in this problem, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 above the sea level means plus 5000, and a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level means it is minus. Below means minus symbol. Now what we have to find? Find the vertical distance. Now find the vertical, what we have to find here? Find the vertical distance between the plane and submarine we have to find. So plane is 5000 meter above the sea level. Above means plus symbol, no symbol means plus is there. So above means plus symbol at a particular point. It is exactly above submarine floating, minus below the sea level means minus 1200 meter. Okay, because below the sea level means minus 200 meter. And find the vertical distance between means minus symbol. Find the vertical distance means again find the difference. You have to find the vertical distance means, so minus symbol. So 5000 minus 1200 means 5000 meter. Now minus bracket means multiplication symbol, no? Multiplication, minus into minus is plus 1200 meter. So what is the answer? 5000 plus 1200 means 6200 meter. This is your answer. Now fifth question is homework. Mohan deposited rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. So imagine that you are a Mohan and deposited 2000 rupees in your account, saving bank account, and in that 1640 is withdrawn. Now we have to find the balance. Deposited means we have to write positive number, positive integers, consider as a positive integers, and withdrawal amount consider as a negative integers. So 2000 minus 1640, 1642. You have to find the balance. This is homework, fifth one.